For today's voiceover, sabi ko, we need to speak in English. Sabi ko, because the groom is congressman and he's imported, sabi ko. My friend and your friend and my friend is my friend, sabi ko. This is the very hard voiceover to me, my friend, sabi ko, because the groom is English spoken, sabi ko, that's why we need to speak in English, sabi ko. And now, sabi ko, I'm going to Magalang, sabi ko, while driving, I'm eating sweet corn, sabi ko. Because I'm not eating breakfast and the photo shoot is very early, sabi ko, that's why we need to early go to resort, sabi ko. After 15 minutes, because we don't have traffic, I reach the resort, sabi ko. And before I will go to inside the resort, sabi ko, I'm using my perfume Savage Dior, sabi ko. This perfume is we call Mapanikwang Gurami, sabi ko. Of course, before we start the photo shoot, sabi ko, we need to eat breakfast first, sabi ko. They told me the photo shoot, they will start 9 a.m., sabi ko. But the photo shoot, sabi ko, they will start 11 a.m., sabi ko. I don't know to the shooter what happened, sabi ko. But not I'm complaining, sabi ko, because now they will start the photo shoot, sabi ko, and they give me this box, sabi ko. I don't know what inside the box, sabi ko. After I will open it, sabi ko, we have a tumbler, sabi ko, and one shirt and one sunglasses, sabi ko. This is my secret, sabi ko, because this one is always inside my pocket, sabi ko, because I'm not rich, sabi ko. That's why I slice the koji, sabi ko. I put it again in my pocket, sabi ko, because my face is always oiling, sabi ko. Now you know my secret, sabi ko, kojik lang ang sakalam, baka naman, sabi ko. And this wedding, sabi ko, I'm not the best man, sabi ko, because congressman, they have a friend, one of the contractor, sabi ko. And the shooter, they told me, sabi ko, wearing your white shirt because they start the photo shoot, sabi ko. After I go down, sabi ko, I see the Gurami, they start the photo shoot, sabi ko. After 30 minutes, sabi ko, the ladies' choice and mayonnaise, they finish the photo shoot, sabi ko. After the sun is coming, I'm getting wetting, sabi ko. This all the groomsmen, sabi ko, with black jack, sabi ko, is the special guest for today's wedding with congressman, sabi ko. And you see the groom, sabi ko, is the congressman, sabi ko. See, I'm crazy, that's why I'm dancing with grooms, sabi ko. And see, congressman is laughing without wings, sabi ko. After photo shoot, sabi ko, they come back in the room, sabi ko, because they start again the formal wear, sabi ko. Actually, I have 3 minutes English only for my voiceover, sabi ko, but I'm enjoying to voiceover this video, sabi ko. That's why I give you a 6-minute English, sabi ko. Maybe after they watching this video of congressman wedding, sabi ko, maybe they give me a tip again, sabi ko. I have a GCash and VPI account, sabi ko. Oh, you see, the congressman, sabi ko, they have a bodyguard, sabi ko, but he's small but terrible, sabi ko. And one of this contractor, sabi ko, the best man, sabi ko. Ang blackjack, sabi ko, the shoes is Dota ko, sabi ko, because they sira na, sabi ko. And shower out to the shooter, sabi ko, they a lot of taking a video with me and picture, sabi ko. After the video, they post in the Facebook, sabi ko, I cannot see my face, shuada, sabi ko. And you look at me, sabi ko, I'm local from Philippines, sabi ko. And the groom congressman, sabi ko, si imported, sabi ko, the nose is very matilo, sabi ko. During the photo shoot and videoing, sabi ko, one of the groomsmen, sabi ko, the shoes is broken, sabi ko. That akong is not following to the person, sabi ko. You will see and you will check, sabi ko. See, naputo, sabi ko, itamilaiya kitang babo, sabi ko. I think the special guest blackjack, sabi ko, is the owner of this takong, sabi ko. And after the groomsmen, they taking a video, sabi ko. After that, the ladies' choice and mayonnaise again, sabi ko. This is the wife of congressman, sabi ko. Congratulations, Jocelyn Ramos, sabi ko. After this 6-minute video voiceover, sabi ko, my ngala-ngala is getting dry, sabi ko, because it's so very hard speaking English, sabi ko. Actually, during this my voiceover, sabi ko, my nose is bleeding, sabi ko. And now, they start, the bello is putting in the hair, sabi ko. And the people is clapping, sabi ko. But one of the ladies' choice and mayonnaise Gurami here is crying, sabi ko. After congressman getting his wife, sabi ko. And now they proceed to another question and answer, sabi ko. After pastor is questioning to the groom, sabi ko. And now they will kiss the board divine, sabi ko. But we need to give a sticker, sabi ko. After Meta, they see this video, sabi ko. They give me a violation again my page, sabi ko. Because it's strict very, sabi ko. And Blackjack, Beko, is smiling, but before we start the photo shoot, Beko is crying, and now you see the shoes, one of the groomsman imported, Beko, the shoes is sira, Beko. Because the black shoes, if you are not using long time, Beko, after that getting broken, Beko, you see two of the groomsmen, Beko, the shoes is broken. Now I get some tusok-tusok outside, Beko, I get some kikiam and fishball, Beko, because sold out already, because a lot of people inside and outside, Beko. And I get drinks inside, Beko. After that, the waiter is going outside, you will see, Beko. I miss working in Gustav, Beko, because I'm working before I'm a waiter, Beko, the photo bomber in Gustav, Beko. And the food inside, Beko, you see, Beko, shower out to this bartender, Bordibine, Beko, they give me a very nice tequila Bordibine. This wedding is very memorable, Beko, because a lot of lady, they want to get married, Beko, with the love husband, Beko. Very hard to speak in English, Beko, because I'm not good in English, Beko. I'm very good in scientist, Beko, or in arithmetic, Beko. And the groom, Beko, they dance her mother, Beko, while taking this video, Beko. My lua is going down, Beko, but I'm looking up, Beko, because I don't wanna cry, Beko. Now, this is the waiting for all the people here in the wedding, Beko, the eating program, Beko. Special shower out to this waiter, Beko. They give me a soup, very nice, Beko. And of course, thank you for supporting, watching my video, Beko, to Beko Motovlog and Bapsoy TV, Beko. Always take care and God bless. Thank you. Bye!